Business math in a bathrobe, finding rates of change and how to talk about them. So functions change all the time, but a lot of times we're curious about the average rate of change on some interval. And we can do that with just the slope formula. The average rate of change is rise over run. So if we look at a graph, for example, and find the average rate of change between these 2 points, it's actually just going to be the slope of the line that connects them. We can use the slope formula, rise over run between those 2 points, to find exactly what that is. We can also do that with functions, but what's really interesting over here is when we get into some business applications and introduce the idea of marginal cost and marginal revenue and profit and stuff like that. And that's really just the average change of the next thing. Marginal cost is what is the cost of the next item. And we can calculate that with a very, very similar formula. The last thing we cover in this section is what does it mean for a function to be increasing or decreasing. We always look left to right, and it's just decreasing if it's going down, increasing if it's going up. Local extrema, a local maximum is the top of a hill, a local minimum is the bottom of the valley, and that's rates of change, business in a bathrobe. Check out the related link for the full videos on these topics and let me know what you think.